Along the humid coasts of tropical and subtropical regions, where land meets sea, lies a world of shifting tides and boundless mud. This intertidal zone is a challenging frontier, but within its embrace lives a creature unlike any other fish. It walks, it skips, it breathes air, and it thrives where others cannot. This is the mudskipper, a master of two worlds, whose very existence challenges our understanding of what it means to be a fish. The intertidal zone is a dynamic environment, constantly fluctuating between aquatic and terrestrial states. Tides rise and fall, temperatures soar under the equatorial sun, and oxygen levels in the water can plummet. For most marine life, these conditions are unlivable. Yet, for the mudskipper, this realm of extremes is home, offering both immense challenges and unique opportunities for those equipped to navigate its demands. At the heart of the mudskipper's ability to live on land is its extraordinary respiratory system. Unlike most fish that rely solely on water for oxygen, the mudskipper has developed specialized gill chambers that allow it to actively extract oxygen directly from the air. It gulps air, holding it within its enlarged gill pouches, ensuring its survival during prolonged excursions away from the water's surface. This is a fish that truly breathes like a terrestrial animal. The mudskipper's sophisticated respiratory system ensures it maximizes air-breathing efficiency. With its unique gill structures and skin respiration working in concert, it can extract vital oxygen from the atmosphere at impressive rates, a capability far exceeding that of typical fish forced into similar environments. This physiological mastery of air allows it to not merely survive, but to thrive in conditions where oxygenated water is scarce or absent for extended periods. Movement on dry land is another defining feature of the mudskipper. Its robust, muscular pectoral fins are not just for swimming, they are highly adapted limbs used for terrestrial locomotion. With a powerful crutching motion, these fins propel the mudskipper across the slick, uneven mudflats. It can walk, skip, and even climb roots and rocks, demonstrating an agility that belies its aquatic heritage. This versatility in movement opens up an entirely new dimension for foraging and exploration. Beyond its modified gill chambers, the mudskipper possesses another crucial adaptation for terrestrial life: its skin. Highly vascularized and kept constantly moist, the skin itself acts as a supplementary respiratory organ, absorbing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide directly from the air. This necessitates frequent dips in water or wallowing in mud to prevent desiccation, highlighting the delicate balance it maintains between its two worlds. The damp, nutrient-rich mud is essential not just for movement, but for life itself. The mudskipper's eyes are another marvel of its unique design. Perched high on its head, these prominent, independently rotating orbs provide a panoramic view of its surroundings. This periscopic vision is perfectly suited for spotting predators like birds and snakes from above, and prey like insects and small crabs on the mud. It allows the mudskipper to maintain vigilance in both aquatic and terrestrial realms, a dual-world advantage that few other creatures possess. These architects of the intertidal construct intricate burrows within the soft mud, a critical component of their survival strategy. These carefully crafted subterranean networks serve multiple vital functions. They provide refuge from terrestrial predators, shield the mudskipper from the harsh sun and extreme temperatures, and offer a moist, oxygen-rich environment during high tide. The burrow is not just a shelter, it is a meticulously engineered home that perfectly supports their dual existence. When the tide inevitably rises and inundates their mudflat domain, the mudskippers retreat into the safety of their burrows. Here, they are not simply hiding from the water, they are utilizing an ingenious design. The burrows contain pockets of trapped air, allowing the mudskippers to continue breathing atmospheric oxygen even when fully submerged. This clever adaptation ensures their terrestrial-leaning physiology remains functional throughout the high tide cycle, bridging the aquatic challenge with a land-based solution. On the expansive mudflats, the mudskipper becomes an opportunistic hunter. Its diet consists of small crabs, insects, worms, and other invertebrates found within the rich mud. Its ability to move swiftly on land and survey its surroundings with those periscopic eyes gives it a distinct advantage over strictly aquatic or terrestrial predators. It is not confined to the water's edge, but can actively pursue prey across vast stretches of mud, maximizing its foraging opportunities. Territory is fiercely defended on the open mudflats, where resources can be concentrated. Mudskippers engage in impressive, often flamboyant, displays to assert dominance and ward off rivals. These rituals involve flaring their colorful dorsal fins, dramatically arching their bodies, and even leaping into the air, sometimes followed by short, aggressive chases. Such bold behavior underscores their confidence and mastery of the terrestrial environment, where visual communication is paramount. Reproduction also unfolds within this unique dual world. Courtship rituals occur on the exposed mud, with males engaging in elaborate fin displays and aerial leaps to attract females to their meticulously constructed burrows. The burrow then serves as a safe, oxygenated nursery for the eggs, providing protection from desiccation and aquatic predators. This careful choice of a terrestrial-aquatic hybrid nesting site ensures the survival and development of the next generation. Living in two worlds inevitably means facing threats from both. On land, the mudskipper is vulnerable to keen-eyed birds of prey, stealthy snakes, and agile monitor lizards. In the shallow waters, larger fish can snatch an unwary individual. Their extraordinary alertness, combined with the rapid retreat offered by their burrows, are key defensive strategies, allowing them to navigate a dangerous environment where threats emerge from every direction. This remarkable collection of features allows the mudskipper to exploit an ecological niche almost entirely its own. Few other creatures possess the physiological and behavioral flexibility to transition so seamlessly and effectively between water and land. It is a true specialist, uniquely positioned to extract resources and avoid competition in the challenging, yet resource-rich, boundary between marine and terrestrial ecosystems. Its success lies in its singular mastery of this transitional space. The intertidal zone subjects its inhabitants to immense physiological stress, including drastic shifts in salinity, wide temperature fluctuations, and highly variable oxygen levels. The mudskipper's internal systems exhibit remarkable resilience, allowing it to tolerate these extremes that would be fatal to most other fish. Its specialized kidneys, robust circulatory system, and cellular adaptations all contribute to its ability to maintain internal stability amidst external chaos. The ingenious design of the mudskipper's enlarged branchial, or gill, chambers is a key secret to its amphibious lifestyle. These chambers function not just for water respiration, but as effective internal air tanks. By gulping air and sealing it within, the mudskipper can keep its delicate gill filaments moist and functional, even when completely out of water. This stored air allows for prolonged terrestrial excursions, granting it freedom to explore far beyond the water's edge. The mudskipper's story is not merely one of survival against the odds, it is a profound narrative of thriving. By leveraging its dual capabilities, it efficiently finds food, establishes strong territories, and successfully reproduces in an environment where competition from other species, both aquatic and terrestrial, is significantly reduced. It actively exploits the rich resources of the intertidal zone, proving that specialized adaptations can lead to exceptional prosperity and dominance. The mudskipper stands as a living testament to possibilities where boundaries blur. Its very existence challenges our preconceived notions of what a fish can be, embodying a successful fusion of aquatic and terrestrial life, an extraordinary entity in the natural world. This creature is a compelling example of how a unique combination of features can open up an entire new way of life, bridging the gaps and mastering the spaces in between. From its air-breathing capabilities and terrestrial fins to its periscopic eyes and intricate burrows, every aspect of the mudskipper's being is finely tuned for its amphibious lifestyle. It is a blueprint for success in a demanding environment, demonstrating how bridging worlds can lead to extraordinary outcomes. The mudskipper reminds us that true mastery can be found not just within one domain, but in the seamless navigation and dominance of the spaces in between. As the tides continue their eternal dance, the mudskipper persists, an enduring symbol of adaptability and resilience. Its story is a testament to the power of specialized features, allowing a creature to not just survive, but to truly flourish in the most unlikely of places. It lives and thrives between two worlds, a fish that walks and breathes, forever etched into the unique tapestry of the intertidal zone, a true marvel of the natural world.